Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing fine. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove restrictions on Binance P2P. First, open your Binance. On the top right corner, you'll see an icon. Click on it, and from there, go to Settings, which is also at the top right corner. Next, find and select Help and Support. Now, go to Customer Support. Here, you can manually search about P2P on this page. If that doesn't work, you can directly search for P2P restrictions in the search bar. This will show you all the related solutions to your issue. But if you still have questions or if things are not clear, you can directly chat with a customer service representative online. In this way, you'll be able to clear all the restrictions you may have in your P2P account. That's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.